Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. This time I will be reviewing cases from Pitaka, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have the Pitaka MagEZ Case for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. They was nice enough to send me out two of their cases, one in sunset and then the other one in black and gray. Pitaka with their sunset and moonrise cases have been really blowing up everywhere. I love the colors that you can get with Pitaka and everything else. I mean, they make some great cases. This Aramid Fiber is one of the, like it says right there, the caseless thin case. It just feels like you don't have a case on your phone when you have this case on it. It is that thin. It will protect it from minor drops, but also from just scratching up your beautiful looking display. And then the colors that they are coming out with have been top notch. So I'm glad they was able to send these out to me for a review. Like we normally do, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? How hard is this case to get on and off? Does it add protection? Is it bulky, which we know it's not? Is it easy to use the pen? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I will have the links in the description if you want to pick this up. You can get it from their website or Amazon. Pick it up from their website, give them the support, tell them that Forest Tech Reviews sent you over there, and we'll definitely get into this review, but I love the packaging from them. Let's start off with the sunrise case here. Man, packaging is great. I love how they have it. And bam, soon as you think, sunset to moonrise. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. If y'all can read it. But here's the case itself. It even gives you instructions on how to remove it too. It says we care about the environment here. But it also has removal instructions on how to remove the case. That's how good that this case will fit. But here, look at that. I love the color design. I love the Aramid Fiber on here. And it's a thin case. I mean, it is paper thin, y'all. I mean, it's not, again, if you're gonna drop your phone from like 20 to 30 feet, yeah, maybe not. But just if you want to rock around your house, you don't like a bulky case, you don't like any cases, try this out because it is caseless. It's almost, you don't have one on there. Enough of me yapping. Just look at it. Bam. I love that color too. Look at the combination. So you have enough room to get to the pen. The pen is just easy. It's thin on the bottom there. You have enough room to get the charging port. The vine rockers are not covered, but it goes up a little bit there. Gives you a little bit of protection there too. This side comes up here, and then you get slight lip action from the top and the bottom. I mean, it's very slight. I wouldn't slam my display down, but you get protection there. Look at the camera protection too. I love the cutouts of the camera protection. Look, bam, it's precise as you're going to get it. The cutouts at the top is precise too. Now, in the overall fit, like you said, you want to take this off slowly, and it fits. It's not going to pop out either, but it fits really good on there too. One of the best fitting cases that you can get for your phone. How strong and can you wireless charge? Which again, I don't think you will have a problem. You can wireless charge with it. And how strong is the magnet? It's pretty strong. Again, you won't have to worry about dropping it. It won't just come flying off. The magnet on this case is really good too. Passes the Forest Tech Reviews test. Is it one of the strongest magnets? No. And let's see. Can you use your pen while you have the magnet? Let's try this out. Yes, you can use the pen, not a problem. As you can tell there, I don't know what that says, but yeah. Problem free is the way to be. So yes, you can use the pen without any issues. And I have my magnet on there too. So that's a great feature too. I love this design. Let's check out the black and gray real quick. I'll be right back. All right, so here's the black and gray one. On the yellow, that looks amazing too. But I like the sunset looking one, but this is the black and gray. And it has the same fit on there. So y'all let me know, do you like the black and gray one, or do you like the new colorway from Pitaka? Either way, I will have the links in the description. You can pick them up from their website. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.